They don't get the ball. They're finishing their cuts and going hard to the rim.
Trey Davis throws it up. They try the alley-oop, and it works out to Jabari Bird, and Maine really needed that.
The foul, but I don't want to penalize you.
Go with the advantage.
That's right.
Dixon finds Bird, one dribble, puts it up. That is good. Team throws it nearly away. Smith, now it is stolen away by Trey Davis. Quickly up the floor to Bird. Bird will drive in off the glass and count it for two. Bird underneath, looks for a pass, knocks it away, and it's stolen away by the Red Claws. Kadeem Allen. Kadeem Allen, coast to coast, no good, but there's Bird who's fouled, lays it off the glass and in. And the Red Claws with a chance to make it a 3-point game. In minutes, 3 personal fouls, has not scored yet. Jabari Bird, first shot up and good from the left elbow to start this second half.
Boy, that was a whisker away from being yet another turnover on a jump pass.
Jabari Bird, another up. Or another shot, I should say.
That wasn't good enough to be called errant.
Here's White. Pulls up from the right elbow, and Andrew White in his first bucket tonight.
Spun through his fingers. Terrific pass, though, you're right.
Holmes, beautiful pass by Holmes down low to Jabari Bird. Backdoor cut works for the Red Claws. And a technical foul on Josh Longstaff. Allen with it, 5-4. Allen driving into the corner. Extra pass, Bird for 3 in the lead. Got it!
Get home, Henrietta.
And that will be your score at the end of 3. 82-80, the Red Claws taking the lead. Did not make the trip as the Red Claws have Jabari Bird, who just checked in, missed this first shot, gets his own rebound, and lays it in. With 5:52 remaining in the ball game, they find Bird. Bird had an open look at 3. Instead, he'll pull up from the left elbow. Shot is good, and Jabari Bird now with 28 points. Ball inside to Evans. Evans' shot is blocked by John Holmes. He tried to go with a little bit of a reverse dunk, and Holmes wasn't having it. Here's Bird. Long 3 is good.
Wow.
And the Maine Red Claws at that play, so they will be reviewing that. And